everyone! Welcome to this issue of SingTown Technology OpenMV Robots ARM Garbage Classification tutorial. Today we will show how to complete a project of automatic waste sorting with this robotic arm. The specific tutorial and source code can be viewed at the OpenMV CC on the official website of SingTown Technology. If you're interested, let's watch it together. Connect the robotic arm to a 12-volt power supply. OpenMV2 connect to computer via data cable. These are the required files and code. The coordinates of the trash can and tray and the movement code of the robotic arm are written in the move. MainPy is the main code. Models and labels are model files and label files. Drag the model and code files into the OpenMV file directory. Align the base of the robotic arm with the box of the scene. Make sure the robotic arm is placed correctly. Place the board used in the tic-tac-toe game tutorial upside down on AA paper 9 pallet grid. Serve as a trash tray as shown in the figure. Just place the trash can like this. This is the garbage and trash can model we prepared today. This is an expired lemon. It is food waste. This is a glass bottle. It belongs recyclable waste. It's cigarettes. It belongs to other trash. This is the battery. This is hazardous waste. When the detection box is offset, you can modify the parameters in the 9 grids parameter configuration section in the code. Adjust the parameters slowly. When the checkbox and the checkerboard square correspond, run the code to place the garbage on the trash tray. You can start the garbage sorting task. Place expired lemons on the trash tray. The terminal will automatically print out the recognition result. After successful identification, the robotic arm will drop the garbage into the corresponding trash can. Place the blue glass bottle on the tray. The robotic arm then drops it into a recyclable trash can. Place the battery on the tray. The robotic arm automatically drops it into the hazardous waste bin. Place the cigarette butt on the tray. The robotic arm will automatically drop it into the trash can of other garbage. After learning how to use this process, now let's take a closer look at the logic of this code. Let's see how they implement garbage sorting. The overall process can be broken down into 2 steps: identify and sorting. We use the AI neural networks for the garbage identification part. First though, the model file model tf-lite and the label file labels txt in the main loop will be called by the garbage function. Continue to recognize the image. Print the recognition results and perform corresponding actions according to the recognition results. Take hazardous waste as an example. When hazardous waste is identified, the terminal output harmful. The program will call the sorting code and MovePy to sort the garbage. Now let's take a closer look at the internals of the garbage function. It will take 10 images in a row. Each image is identified using neural networks. When the confidence level is greater than 0.8, it will record the results this time. Finally, the recognition results of the 10 pictures are counted. Output the result with the most occurrences. The tutorial of SingTown Technology OpenMV Robots ARM Garbage Sorting Project is over. If you want to identify different pieces of trash or different objects, you can open the video tutorial page of OpenMV CC on the official website of SingTown Technology OpenMV. Refer to our video tutorials numbered 38 and 42 or 1-minute tutorials to train neural networks for classification or object detection. Train to recognize any object you want to recognize. It only takes 10 minutes to get the AI model. Directly replace the original tf-lite model file and label file can be run. Combined with OpenMV intelligent image recognition, you can use your imagination to complete more interesting and complex projects. The specific source code and tutorials can be viewed at the OpenMV CC on the official website of SingTown Technology OpenMV. And welcome to give us a lot of likes, attention, and messages. See you next time. Bye!